This apartment complex loves to complain about all the noise. What is all that noise? It's not coming from this thing, is it? Nah. I don't know where it's coming from. Can't be that thing. It sounds too crystal clear. Oh, wait a second. No way. That clear? Yes, sir. A set of Pro 80s and a set of Pro 480s is all you need if you want to really, really shake up some noise out on the water. You'll have every single boat rolling right up to your boat trying to figure out, hey, how do I get my boat to sound like that? Very simple. Bring it here, audio outlet here in San Marcos, Texas, 512-392-AUTO, or check us out online, www.audio-outlet.com. We specialize in marine, car audio, and home audio.